the hula hands that sang and danced for me.
Well, good morning, folks. How you guys all doing? Bob Rogers with Hawaiian Trike here. And we're riding around the hometown a little bit. It's very windy, and I'm trying to get a recording with all that wind noise, so I'm looking for wind behind my back. Well, today we're going to talk a little bit, or continue our discussion of how we ride and what we do on our rides. We've talked about the journey, the destinations, and recently we talked about explorations and challenges. What else is there, right? Well, I think what I'm trying to do is pinpoint exactly what I do when I get out there. And I'm going to come up with another word. It's called wandering. You know, an exploration, you have a goal in mind. You're going to go to this certain place or whatever. You have a destination. Well, I don't really ride like that. I just go out a certain area, and when I get a chance or something intrigues me, I wander over. Yes, sometimes I'm presented with challenges and I end up exploring, or maybe I make some notes and I want to come back and explore more. But I'm more of a wanderer, I think. It's just right for me. Everybody's different. Some people just want to get on that cart path and just go without thinking a thing. And that's kind of what my feeling is I don't want to think about it. I just want to go out and do it, and whatever happens, happens. But I do explore when the opportunity happens. So I think I'm more of a wandering. How about you guys? Are you wanderers? Are you guys that like challenges? Or you just like to get on a bike or trike and ride as long as you can ride and feel the Mother Nature sitting on your shoulders as you ride along? That's great too, you know. So anyway, I wanted to show you guys a little bit of how I've wandered over the years. I've been riding a bike, or a hybrid or a mountain bike, for at least 50 years. I've just always been a cyclist. I don't ride a road bike. I ride mountain bikes because I like to kind of, I like to wander. So I did that for quite a long time. And I've ridden all around Oahu and done some Big Island trips. But about 10, 12 years ago, we retired, and Barbara and I bought an RV. And we hooked a couple bikes up to the back of it. And we started touring the United States. We do 8 weeks in the spring and 8 weeks in the fall. No winter, no summer. And we would travel all over the place. We would park our RV wherever we stopped, come back 3 or 4 months later, pick it up again, and head out. So I'm going to show you a few bike trails that I've been on, not a few, a lot, and try to encapsulate that tour we did. Back then we didn't have good GoPros or good video cameras, so I shot mostly photographs. I had a really nice Nikon camera. And so you'll see mostly photographs, maybe a couple videos here and there, and just little snaps. Okay, let's do it. We got a campsite for the RV. We've unpacked the bikes, and I got all my gear on. Hey, I'm ready to wander across America. Let's go.
I left you lonely in a crowded room, with girls dance slowly, 2 by 2. I thought you'd curl up wonder in this earth. Why do you run from the light of the moon as it shines in your eyes? Why do you run when there's no place to go? Why do you hide when I talk to you? So lonely. Where were you when I needed love? Where were you when I needed love? Hey, I remember love like it was yesterday. On the dash as we rode through the town. Jamaican rhythms of the radio tram. Hey, taxi driver, won't you sing me your latest song? Yeah, he cut so deep as he knifed through the zombie-eyed throng. 2 pineapples in New York City. Girls are randy and the boys are pretty. Build and scream as it scrape the sky. Jungle swings while the night defies. We got no love and we got no pity. 2 pineapples in New York City. Remember your first time I saw the sparkle in your eyes. What a wonderful day, sipping mango tea in the shade. I let the ocean touch my toes down in Kailua Bay. Shadoop-dooby-dooby-wah, 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 shadoop-dooby-dooby-wah. We see the sails in the wind, blue Hawaiian skies. I remember. Where is my paradise now that you're gone? Where are those haunted eyes? You were the one for me. I miss your hula hands that sang and danced for me. Your caress in the night under that palm tree swaying. Ooh, Waikiki, where I first met you. Sands of silver and gold. And the blue neon lights. We dined on mango margaritas, ate lobsters as they fell from the sky. Josie of New York City, patron saint of my troubles and the cure for my wandering ways. You're the woman who loves me as I trip on my brain, stumbling, falling in love with you twice in one day. Why do you cry when I just have to go? You know that I was born to fly. Why? Whoa, whoa. Slowly slip away, passion flows as tulips play. Shakes the sun and comes the rain, holds my hand to ease the pain, running wild with the wind, open doors and calls me in.
Well, hope you enjoyed our ride today. Let me know what you think if I've been in your neighborhood and you've been on those rides that I showed you pictures of. That'd be cool. Yeah, maybe it sparks some interest that you guys are close by and you guys want to ride on there. They call that an e-bike. I'm sorry, but that's an e-bike. I'm not in an e-bike. I'm on a bike with an electric assist. You see how my feet are going like that? Well, there you go. I can't help it. That's just the way it is. So that's my ride of today. I'm the happy wanderer. You guys be healthy, be safe, and of course, be happy. You guys be good. Have a great week. Aloha.